Hey guys, Ubuntu 18.04 is here, the LTS version. So we will see together how to download and install Ubuntu 18. Okay, first I will show you how to download. So you'll find a link on the description of the video for the ISO of Ubuntu. So let's go to Ubuntu 18.04 LTS Bionic Beaver. So you can download ISO or torrent. So click here and it starts to download. So I will cancel because I had already download, and now I will use Oracle VM VirtualBox Ubuntu 18.04 LTS, and I will keep for the RAM 3 GB. And next, dynamic allocation, I will give for the disk 80 GB, and let's choose the ISO image. And start. Okay, so language English, and click on install Ubuntu. Okay, for the keyboard you can choose QWERTY, but anyway I will choose AZERTY. You can choose the keyboard which you want. Okay, the installation, there is a normal installation or minimal or other option like download update while installing Ubuntu. So I will choose the first. It is better to install and update on the same time, and click on continue. Okay, you can create partition or choose by default. So I will create a partition. Let's create a new partition table and continue. Okay, so I will give for the slash 10 GB. /, and I will give for the swap area. No, not this. Let's delete. Okay, 10 for the slash. And for the swap I will give the double of the RAM, so it will be 6 GB. And 70 for the slash home, and okay. Now the partition is ready. So just click on install now and continue to accept the change. Okay, your name, enter software, and choose the password and continue. And now we start to install, so you can take a copy until it finishes. Okay, the installation is finished now, so restart now and waiting, then press enter, another enter, and now let's log in and sign in. And now let's discover together. Okay, what's new in Ubuntu? Click on next. This is the canonical live patch to keep your computer secure. Can set up. Okay, we will set up another time. Help improve Ubuntu. no, don't send system info. And application on software, on Ubuntu software, you can install DLC, Skype, Spotify, Slack, Discord, and done. Okay, so let's open setting and discover together. So go to details, and we see here Ubuntu 18.04 LTS version. This is the memory, processor. Okay, so this is a Gnome desktop, and we can open Ubuntu software and install the application what we need. We can install Skype, Spotify, Slack, and GIMP also, and DLC. So this is how to install Ubuntu 18.04 LTS version. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and support us on PayPal. See you on the next tutorial. Goodbye.